Good day folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be discussing about mutation, its classification and various other aspects of mutation. Let's begin with the definition of mutation. So a mutation is defined as a change in nucleotide sequence of DNA. It may also be defined as an abrupt, spontaneous origin of new character. So this may be either gross change, that is large areas of chromosomes are changed, or it may be subtle with a change in few or one or few nucleotides. Statistically, out of every 10 raised to 6 cell division, one mutation takes place. Now let's move on to the classification of mutation. So here the basic or the main classification is a point mutation. So it is defined as a change in a single nucleotide. So this is change in a single nucleotide. So it can be subclassified as the point mutation that arises either due to substitution or deletion or insertion. So here if there is deletion or insertion, it is also called a frame shift mutation because the reading frame is entirely changed when there is a deletion, that is a loss of nucleotide, or insertion when there is entry or addition of a nucleotide, whereas in substitution there is no change in the reading frame. So all of them may lead to missense, nonsense of frame shift effects. Let's say the first subclass of point mutation, that is substitution. So this is the replacement of a purine by another purine or a pyrimidine by a pyrimidine. So if there is replacement in this manner, that is a purine is replaced by another purine or a pyrimidine is replaced by another pyrimidine, then this type of substitution mutation is known as transition mutation. Now, if a purine is changed to a pyrimidine or a pyrimidine is changed to a purine, then that type of substitution mutation is known as transversion. The point mutation present in DNA is transcribed and translated so that the defective gene produces an abnormal protein. So the next type of point mutation, it arises due to deletion. So here the deletion, it can be of three types. Either a gene can be deleted, or a codon may be deleted, or a single base may be deleted. So if a large gene deletion takes place, such as the large gene deletions, these are seen in disease conditions such as alpha thalassemia, where the entire gene is removed, or in hemophilia, where the partial gene deletion takes place. Now, in the case of deletion of a codon, the disorder that you can associate is with cystic fibrosis. So here one amino acid, that is the 508 phenylalanine, is missing in the CFTR protein. Now deletion of a single base, that is a third type. So here if there is a deletion of a single base, it will give rise to frame shift effect, as already mentioned earlier. Now next one is insertion mutation, which is a type of point mutation. So here insertion or addition or expansion, they are also subclassified. So similar to deletion, if there is a addition or insertion of a single base, it leads to a frame shift effect. Whereas if there is a trinucleotide expansion, that is in Huntington's chorea, the CAG trinucleotides are repeated about 30 to 300 times. So this leads to a polyglutamine repeat in the protein, and the severity of the disease is increased as the number of repeats are more. So a trinucleotide, that is 3 nucleotides or a codon, is increased or it is inserted. It's not basically a codon, the CAG codon or the trinucleotide, 3 nucleotides are inserted. Now the next one is duplication. So in Duchenne muscular dystrophy, that is DMD, the gene is duplicated in the disease. That's it for this video. The continuation of the topic can be found in the next part. So if you honestly did understand the topic, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.